What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add upsell on your Shopify. So all you have to do is head over to admin.shopify.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then in the new tab, just type apps.shopify.com and press enter. You will then be redirected to the Shopify App Store and in the search bar, just type Upsell. Then press enter. So there are actually multiple options that we can choose from, but we're going to choose upsell and cross-sell. Then click on install. Just grant access permissions by clicking on install. From here, you will be asked to fill out your name, your role, and email address, and also customize communication preferences. Then once done, just click on next. So as you can see here, they offer a few subscriptions, but if you do 0 to 50 total store orders a month, you can opt for the tier 1, which is free every month. So we're just going to proceed by clicking start free trial. So this plan is actually kind of free and premium. You will be charged based on how you use this app to a maximum of $24.99 per 30 days. So that will automatically be charged. As you can see earlier, if you only do 0 to 51 orders, the subscription will be free and you will not be charged after 30 days. To proceed, just add a payment method, whether it's PayPal or you can also add your credit card just by entering your credit card information. Then once done, just click on approve. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!